This is JBN Dr. Bajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program BCom Honors Third Sem and MSc Numerical Computation Second Semester, MSc Mathematics Second Semester, and course is Quantitative Technique and Numerical Computation, and session of today is theoretical distribution and binomial distribution. So the theoretical distribution of random variable may be theoretical listing of outcomes and probabilities which can be obtained from a mathematical model representing some phenomena of interest. Number 2, an empirical listing of outcome and their observed relative frequencies. A subject listing outcomes associated with their subjective or contrary probabilities representing the degree of convictions of the decision maker as to the likelihood of the possible outcome. Random variable are real valued function whose domain is the sample space of random experiment, and codomain is the positive random variable is also called the chance variable. This is the random variable. Now binomial distribution, it is also called the Bernoulli formula. If n independent trials are performed for any events, n independent trials are performed, and the success of these trials be denoted by the random variable x, and in each of which the probability of occurrence of event A is the same and the equal to p, then the probability of event A occurring r time in the n trial is expressed by the formula as follows. This is the formula of binomial distribution, or it can be written as p bracket start x is equal to r bracket close is equal to ncr p to the power r q to the power n minus r, where c is the combination. C, NCR, and C is the combination, and expansion of NCR is equal to factorial n upon factorial r or into factorial n minus r. This is the numerical value of NCR. P r p to the power r. P is the probability and Q also probability. One of them is success and one of them is failure. Suppose coin is tossed, then P is the probability of getting success, then Q is the probability of failure. So this can be expressed in the form of P x is equal to r is equal to ncr p to the power r q to the power n minus r, where Q is equal to provided that P plus Q is equal to 1. Success plus failure, probability of success plus failure will be 1. The value of PR is clearly the R plus 1th term in the expression of Q plus P to the power R, the distribution of random variable X, which can assume n plus 1 values. That values was the 0, 1, dot, 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 n by Bernoulli formula is known as the binomial distribution. Explanation: let n independent trials are performed, the probability of success is the same in each trial. In these n trials, the probability of success is r trial, and the failure in n minus r trials will be p to the power r q to the power n minus r by multiplication. Now the number of ways in which the event can occur r times in n trial in NCR. Since these ways are equally likely, mutually exclusive and independent, the probability or R success and N minus R failure in N trials is equal to the NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. In tabular form, it can be written xi pi. So xi is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 r dot 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 n, and corresponding probability, that was the pi nc0 p to the power 0 q to the power n. In next one, in front of 1 nc1 p to the power 1 q to the power n minus 1. In front of 2 it becomes nc2 p2 q to the power n minus 2. In front of 3 it becomes nc3 p3 q to the power n minus 3 dot 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 ncr pr q to the power n minus r dot 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 ncn p to the power n q to the power 0. So sum of these probabilities become p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus dot 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 pn is equal to q plus p to the power n, or q plus p is equal to 1. So putting the value of 1 at the place of q plus b, it is 1 to the power 1, n is equal to 1. So if p and q is equal to 1 by 2, then it is called the symmetric. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.